Just a quick intro to this vlog today. I usually try to travel to exotic places, interesting places in order to get the best content to all of my viewers. But today's vlog is something that I was suffering for a long time, getting the Aadhaar card in India. So if you already have an Aadhaar card, you can skip this episode and I'll be back tomorrow with an interesting content. But I managed to get the live footage of Aadhaar staff asking for charges, which was a bribe. Watch it if you want to see that. Today I have decided to get my Aadhaar card. Aadhaar card is a 3-step process. 1. Search for the places where they issue the Aadhaar card. Call them. Second thing is check and keep all the documents. The third part of your preparation is go to the Aadhaar center, wait there, be polite, don't care about what they say or how rude they are. Just complete your work, submit your photo, fingerprint, check if all your details are correct, submit and come out. And keep all the documents like this. Things you need for getting your Aadhaar card: passport, copy of DLs, driving license, copy of your passport, and extra copies of your ID proof with an envelope. And don't forget this one, very important. Isn't something missing? Wait for it. So I've come here, I'm searching for the place. I guess this is the place. Look at the stairs here. Oh. Hey. There it is, Aadhaar. I am here at the Aadhaar center, just waiting for them to come back, fill my enrollment. Time for today's life lessons. Patience is often underrated, but it's very important. Patience can make a small seed bear a fruit. Patience can correct most of your wrongs. If you were to say that in Elliot Hulse's time, patience will help you become the best version of yourself. So my advice is always be patient about what you want to achieve, and most important is be patient about your dreams. All you have to do is to wait, and wait should be dynamic. Keep working towards what you want, but don't go behind results. That is what Shri Krishna also told in Bhagavad Gita. Karmanye vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. Just concentrate on what your work is. Don't wait for the results. Results would be a glory if you can be patient. All the best. Now let's get back to my Aadhaar card story and see what happens. They're charging 120 rupees for Aadhaar card. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇದು ಆಧಾರ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಫ್ರೀ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮವ್ರು ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಯಿಂದ 8 ಗಂಟೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಹೋಗೋದಿದ್ರೆ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್. ಅವರು 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾರೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಕ್ಸರಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ನಮ್ದು ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆದರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಫ್ರೀ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮೇಡಮ್. ನನಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
1 ವೀಕ್ 5 ಡೇಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ದಿನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಎನ್ರೋಲ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ID ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ?
ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೋದು.
ಸರಿ ಸರಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್.
So finally my Aadhaar enrollment is done, submitted. I just have to wait to see if it is accepted. They said if it is not accepted, they'll make it the second time for free. They've actually charged 120 for me now. It should be actually free of charge. I don't know. I'm gonna just make a comment on Twitter and add our Prime Minister to it to expose that such things are happening. 120 is a really big amount for a poor person, and he's forced to pay here. That's not good. Anyway, that's about done.